Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Because like, comment, share and subscribe is free. So that you must help me just to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about easily about cryptocurrency or Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash EBC price prediction 2022, 2025, 2030. BC he hit a price forecast pattern Jovanovic Augustus 11, 2022. In this guide, we will voice our own and markets opinion on BCL photo will discussing Bitcoin Cash EBC price forecast for 2022 and beyond. Please bear in mind that you shall take this and any other prediction with a grain of salt, since predicting anything is a thankless task, let alone predicting the future of another highly volatile financial asset like Bitcoin Cash EBC. Now let's head into it. Before we delve deep into the Bitcoin Cash EBC freeze prediction and as well answer question if BCE is a good investment or not. Why will BCE succeed or fail, or why will Bitcoin Cash EBC price rise or drop? Let's quickly throw a glance at what is BCE and its to-date history. What you learn. BCE price prediction for the next 90 days. Essential thoughts you need to execute in crypto exchange wallet test calculator trading tools. Bitcoin Cash EBC freeze prediction 2022. BCE freeze prediction 2025. What will BCE be what in 5 years? Bitcoin Cash EBC coin freeze prediction 2023, 2040. BCE freeze prediction for the next 90 days. The world crypto world is on a verge of a full-fledged bear market. Bitcoin has jumped 50% from its all-time high amid the broader market drop impacted by rising inflation and US Fed rate increases. Investors are selling risky assets and moving into more stable market. Crypto is still perceived as a very risky play and hence the sell-off. All still sees some growth in 2022. Especially in the second part of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 prediction. Right now, Bitcoin needs to find a local bottom before we can move in the opposite direction and reverse the trade. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because I always talking you about cryptocurrency. Well, see you.